In previous lecture, we seen antibiotics, chemicals, enzymes, and active biomolecules in that formation of that molecules, which type of organism responsible, which type of microbes responsible, and what types of products that give, that we already studied. Today we will see the microbes की सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लान, मीन्स के सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट के बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. What is सीवेज? सीवेज मीन्स व्हाट? ट्रीटमेंट मीन्स कि जो स्वेज होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रीटमेंट. मीन्स कि इन सिटीज एंड मेगा सिटीज वी यूज देयर आर इन वेरियस फील्ड वाटर एंड मेनली polluted water contain human excreta. That's why the municipal wastewater that is called sewage, and we not dispose directly into river and streams, right? डायरेक्टली हमें उनको डिस्पोज नहीं करना चाहिए रिवर में, बिकॉज दैट इज क्रिएट वाटर पॉल्यूशन एंड दैट ऑल्सो कैन डाइजेस्ट the organism which is present in aquatic ecosystem, or we can say which is present in river, pond, rivers, etc. So यहाँ दिया है a major component of wastewater that is called human excreta. This municipal wastewater that is called sewage. It contains large amount of organic matter and microbes, and that organic matter oxidized by microbes, and this treatment known as sewage treatment. Many of which are pathogenic, right? कि उसमें से बहुत सारे जो ह्यूमन एक्सक्रिएट है और वेस्ट वाटर में जो माइक्रोब्स और ऑर्गेनिक मैटर होते हैं वो माइक्रोब्स समटाइम पैथोजेनिक होते हैं. दिस कैन नॉट बी डिस्चार्ज इनटू नेचुरल वाटर बॉडी लाइक रिवर एंड स्ट्रीम्स directly. That is why the treatment of wastewater done by heterotrophic bacteria which are present naturally in sewage, and that have two steps. First is primary treatment, and second is secondary treatment. First, we filter again and again and remove physical debris, physical removal of particle large and small, right? So in first treatment, this is the first treatment. Big particle which is present on funnel, and this is the supernal. This is influent, and this is sediments, or we can say sludge, right? This is the primary sludge. These treatment step basically equal physical removal of particle, right? Removal of particle from the sewage through the filtration and sedimentation. So first treatment divided into process, filtration and sedimentation. You have to filter again and again and removal big particles from the sewage. These are removed in stages. Initially, floating debris is removed by sequential filtration, right? Then the green soil and small pebbles are removed by sedimentation. All soil that settle form, that is called primary sludge. So ये जो sediments है, that is called primary sludge. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Primary sludge, जो sediments हुए हैं. और supernatant, that is called influent. Supernatant form influent. The influent from primary settling tank is taken for secondary treatment. So this tank known as primary settling tank. Now this influent we will move on second tank, that is aeration tank, that is known as aeration tank, and treatment known as secondary treatment. So influent we will move in aeration tank, and this aeration tank there aeration tank क्यों बोला है? बिकॉज यहाँ कंटिन्यूसली एयर प्रोड्यूस हो, ऐसे हमको मशीन यहाँ रखने, जस्ट लाइक टरबाइन. टरबाइन क्या करता है? कंटिन्यू एयर प्रोड्यूस करता है. दैट इज व्हाई हियर एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया विल बी ग्रो विथ fungi and they form flocks. कि ये जो एयर प्रोड्यूस होगी, दैट इज बाय एयर बैक्टीरिया, और जो एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया है वो ग्रो होंगे, और एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया एसोसिएट विद फंजाई एंड मेक अ मैश लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, दैट इज नोन एज फ्लॉक्स. The primary influent is passed into large aeration tank where it is constantly agitated mechanically and air is pumped into it. कि यहाँ कंटिन्यूसली एरेशन होगा, एरेशन टैंक हम इसीलिए बोलते हैं, और वहाँ एयर प्रोड्यूस होगी. This allow vigorous growth of useful aerobic microbes. मैंने यहाँ लिखा aerobic microbes, aerobic bacteria will be grow into flocks, mass of bacteria associated with fungi filament to form mesh-like structure, that is called flocks. So ये flocks आप अच्छे से याद रखना. While growing this microbe consume a major part of organic matter. कि जैसे जैसे ये बैक्टीरिया यहाँ एरेशन टैंक में ग्रो होंगे, वैसे वैसे वो क्या करेंगे? It consume ऑक्सीजन. मीन्स के आपको क्या मेजर करना है? बीओडी. बीओडी मीन्स व्हाट? बायोकेमिकल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड. मीन्स व्हाट? कि फॉर एग्जांपल ये क्या है? प्राइमरी स्लज, सॉरी इन्फ्लुएंट. इन्फ्लुएंट में क्या होगा? ऑर्गेनिक मैटर, और वो ऑर्गेनिक मैटर को डिग्रेड करने के लिए हेटेरोट्रॉपिक बैक्टीरिया क्या यूज करता है? ऑक्सीजन. तो दैट इज वाई ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड हो, दैट इज वाई यहाँ हमको एरेटिव सिस्टम यहाँ इंट्रोड्यूस करनी है, दैट इज वाई ऑक्सीजन क्रिएट हो, और वो ऑक्सीजन ये बैक्टीरिया ऑर्गेनिक मैटर को ऑक्सीडाइज करने के लिए यूज करे. जैसे जैसे ऑर्गेनिक मैटर कम होते जाएंगे, इसके पॉल्यूटेड वाटर, लेस पॉल्यूटेड वाटर बनता जाएगा, वैसे वैसे बीओडी का लेवल कम होगा. समझ में आया? मीन्स कि जितना पॉल्यूटेड वाटर ज्यादा होता है उतना बीओडी ज्यादा होता है. जैसे जैसे पॉल्यूटेड वाटर की पॉल्यूशन वाटर में कम होता जाएगा, बीओडी का लेवल भी कम होता जाएगा. यहाँ आपको दिया है BOD refers to the amount of oxygen that would be consumed if all the organic matter in 1 liter of water were oxidized by bacteria. की 1 लीटर वाटर में होती जाएगी। When BOD level will be down, when BOD level will be down in influent, at that time हमको उसको दूसरे टैंक में एंट्री करना है। Once the BOD of sewage of wastewater is reduced, the influent is then passed into settling tank. So यहाँ आपको याद रखना है कि ये influent आपको settling tank में कब डालना है? BOD become down. When BOD become down, at that time we transfer influent. ये जो influent है वो हम settling tank में ट्रांसफर करेंगे। सो आपको लिखना है settling tank. When BOD become down, when BOD become reduced, BOD reduced, influent will be passed into settling tank. In settling tank, flocks will be sediment. Flocks sediment means what? Bacteria and fungi will be separated in form, right? The influent is passed into settling tank where the bacterial flocks are allowed to sediment. So flocks become sediment means what? The sediment portion में bacteria and fungi separate होगा and that is called activated sludge. That is called activated sludge. Okay? So ये जो influent है ये भी influent ही है और ये क्या बना? Activated sludge. तो ये activated sludge, some amount of activated sludge back into aeration tank and some amount of activated sludge will transfer into anaerobic sludge digesters. anaerobic sludge digester tank है उसमें थोड़ा activated sludge ट्रांसफर करेंगे और थोड़ा अमाउंट में एक्टिवेटेड स्लज बैक इनटू एरेशन टैंक ट्रांसफर करेंगे। यहाँ मींस कि ये टैंक में क्या होगा? बैक्टीरिया विल बी ग्रो anaerobically मींस कि यहाँ कौन से बैक्टीरिया ग्रो होंगे? anaerobic बैक्टीरिया which digest aerobic bacteria and fungi, and after some process methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide will be produced, that is called biogas. So ये आपका स्वेट ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट खत्म हुआ। ये बहुत अच्छे से मैंने समझाया है, आपको इसी वे में समझना है तो ही आपको पूरा स्वेट ट्रीटमेंट याद रहेगा, अदरवाइज आपको कुछ नहीं समझ में आएगा। फिर से we see microbe सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट which is divided in two stage, primary treatment and secondary treatment. This is primary treatment and these three tank have secondary treatment. In first treatment we have to filtration and sedimentation. There are two process. जो sludge होता है municipal waste water means what? Sludge which possess in major amount of human excreta which have organic matter and which is digested by heterotrophic bacteria which is present naturally in sewage. So in first treatment we have to filter and sediment the sewage, or we can say wastewater. Filter again and again sequentially. After sequentially filtration we got supernatant, that is called influent, and sedimentation sludge, that is called sediments or primary sludge, and which is occur in primary settling tank. Now we will transfer influent in second tank, that is called aeration tank for secondary treatment. In aeration tank we have to put aerating system which is produced forcefully air, and in air aerobic bacteria will be grow, which is associated with the fungi and form mesh like structure, that is called flocs. And this influent possess more and more organic matter, and which this organic matter oxidized by एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया, एंड जैसे जैसे एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया ऑर्गेनिक मैटर को ऑक्सीडाइज करेंगे वैसे वैसे बीओडी रिड्यूस होगा. एट सम लेवल ऑफ बीओडी विल बी रिड्यूस, मींस कि जैसे जैसे इन्फ्लुएंट में ऑर्गेनिक मैटर कम होता जाएगा वैसे वैसे बीओडी लेवल कम होता जाएगा, क्योंकि ऑर्गेनिक मैटर थोड़ा ही रहेगा तो थोड़े ऑर्गेनिक मैटर में, कम ऑर्गेनिक मैटर में बीओडी की डिमांड कैसी होगी, कम. At once BOD will be reduced. At that time, influent will be transferred into settling for tank for sewage treatment. In this settling tank, flux will be sediments, and this sediment influent, that is called activated sludge. This activated sludge possess bacteria and fungi. Some portion of activated sludge will be back moved into aeration tank, and some portion of activated sludge will be transferred into anaerobic sludge digester, where anaerobic bacteria will be grow anaerobically, and this anaerobic bacteria will be digest aerobic bacteria and fungi and produce some gases like methane, hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, and that gas is known as the biogas. And then this water will be transferred into river and drains, etc. Right? The effluent from the secondary treatment plant is generally released into natural water body like rivers and stream. And आपको डायग्राम दिया है overview of sewage treatment plant, and this sewage treatment plant in each and every town and city is very important for removing wastewater. Okay, due to urbanization, this sewage treatment plant it is very essential. Sewage is being produced in much larger quantity than ever before because of urbanization. However, the number of sewage treatment plant has not increased enough to treat such large quantity. Right? कि urbanization बढ़ा है, but sewage treatment plant established इतने तो नहीं हुए हैं. So untreated sewage is often discharged directly into river, leading to that pollution and increase the waterborne disease. दो टाइप के डिमेरिट्स होते हैं, डिसएडवांटेज होते हैं कि वाटर पॉल्यूशन भी बढ़ता है, और वाटर पॉल्यूशन बढ़ने से जो वाटरबॉर्न डिजीज होते हैं, पानी से जो डिजीज होते हैं वो भी हमको कॉज होते हैं. दैट इज व्हाई the Ministry of Environment and Forest had initiated Ganga Action Plan and Yamuna Action Plan to save our major rivers of our country from pollution. Under this plan, it is proposed to build a large number of sewage treatment plants so that only treated sewage may be discharged into river. And आपके आसपास अगर कोई sewage treatment plant है तो you should visit it, right? So ये हो गए microbes in sewage treatment plant. It is very interesting topic and very useful according to board exam. Next session we will see microbes in biogas plant and microbes in as a bio fertilizers. Thank you.